Alright, Missy, I've got an idea for you. I give you 1,000 bahts and you spend it however you like. Lady boy. Yeah, he's taking the lady boy.
The money doesn't come for free to me.
Do you understand English?
Yes.
Oh, she values money a lot. Now I understand why Harold Bowler likes pork chop so much. Choose another color, Missy. Choose another color. You might want to go with...
No.
Look at the beach now. The water has receded quite a bit. And the sky is so beautiful. And DC Traveller has now gotten the beach look. We bought this shirt, the elephant shirt, from a shop there. What's his name? I can touch also. Wow. Look at the chihuahua. This is Missy's favorite dog. So this vlog is about the evening now. We will have some snack, buy some things, and DC Traveller has got an idea. Alright, Missy, I've got an idea for you.
What idea?
I give you 1,000 bahts and you spend it however you like. That's the idea.
1,000 baht, it's in India, it's 2,500, right?
Yeah, 2,500.
Spend it?
Let's see how Missy is able to spend, or how much she is able to spend 1,000 bahts. So let me take it out. This is all yours.
Really?
You can buy sunglasses for you. You can buy souvenirs if you want.
Oh.
We saw many food vendors also, so you can buy food. Or you can buy Ladyboy.
Oh. Should I let them serve me also?
Do you know Ladyboy
Yeah.
will not serve you food?
Why not?
Missy wants service from the Ladyboy. Let's find one first. Missy is very excited to see Ladyboys. She's heard it from her Thai dramas. Let it pass. Or from social media, she says.
You also.
From me, I don't mention Ladyboys. I mention other things of Thailand, but not Ladyboys. Anyways, let's go, Missy. So yeah, let's see how you're going to spend 1,000 bahts or 2,500 rupees. What's that in dollars? I will put it on the screen. If the dollar people are watching, I hope you
Is
are.
it $50?
Tattoo? Okay, let's put a condition there. So you can spend 1,000 bahts however you like, but don't take decisions that last a lifetime. You really want a tattoo?
I'm just saying.
Tattoo.
not
This
my
is a
thing.
permanent tattoo, by the way.
Tattoo is not my thing also.
So, should we walk inside, Missy? What will give us the better chance of being approached by a seller? I think it would be better if we sit down somewhere, so that then the sellers know that people are sitting here and they see from far and they walk towards you. That's what happens here. She's selling something. Sawadikap. What is this? Sukhit? Squid. Oh, squid.
You want?
It's up to you, Missy. Do you like squid?
I like
Do you find it interesting? No squid?
You want barbecue?
Barbecue?
Good.
Yeah, we can have. How much?
Let's taste it.
100 baht piece for
100 baht.
Yeah, good.
What if you don't like it, Missy?
Yeah.
But it's up to you. It's your vlog.
Won't it be too much? 100 baht.
Yeah, I think. If you don't like it, then
You eat, you sample, no problem. Can Thailand.
what if we don't like it?
Okay, no one see.
You decide.
Yeah.
You decide. You take the call.
อุ้ยไม่ได้
Why not?
Oh, Missy is bargaining now.
โอเค80 บาท
No, 50.
50ไม่ได้
50. She said 80. 50.
50.
50.
Because we don't want so much.
โอเคถูก
Two.
Two.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, Missy.
At last, you're the one who bargain. I told you don't bargain. You don't know how to.
So you were going to bargain for all of them. But I said two because Missy, what if you don't like it?
Then let me bargain. No?
All right. Okay.
Like when we went to buy shoes, remember? I said I want 300 and the the shoe seller. I said 310. I said no 300. You said give him 10. It's like 10 rupees for free.
Yeah, we bought shoes for 300 and 10 rupees. Missy wanted it for 300.
It's like I told you, the money doesn't come for free to me.
Ah. See, she's smiling. Do you understand English?
Yes.
Oh, she values money a lot. Looks like a frog.
Yeah. Where you come from, please?
India.
Oh, but you know same India, na? I think you Philippine.
Philippines. Ah, she looks like Filipino.
Yeah, but she beautiful. But and you,
I'm not
I
beautiful.
Give you, same Dubai.
Dubai.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
The squid is done.
You know one sauce?
Yeah, salt.
Salt. Have you had squid? I don't think so. We've never had squid, guys.
Squid. Yesterday we had what spider,
Spider, scorpion.
scorpion.
Have you watched that vlog, by the way? I'll link it right here. You can watch it after this one.
Eat, please.
Take.
What
you
is
taste.
this? I'll taste first.
Yeah, you take.
It's like, okay, it's crispy.
Eat.
Squid.
I don't think.
Ah, seafood taste.
Seafood lah.
How is it?
Well, I can eat it,
Okay.
but
Eat it.
not my thing. I don't like seafood now. You try.
Let me try it. And
Interesting. What is this crispy thing?
Same. I don't know. Lemon.
Lemon.
Yes.
Okay. Well, we should have interesting things. Whether you like it or not, that's a secondary thing. If you don't like it, you don't have it again.
I like
But
it.
this is how we find out. You like it?
She like.
It's like those fish, no, that we dried. Dry fish.
I don't like fish, much less dry fish. She's going to spend this today. We are making a video where she's going to spend 1,000 baht. You are the first one. Can we click your picture?
Yeah.
Yes? Look in the camera, okay? 1, 2, ready. Thank you. Kapun kap. So that's our first purchase. And I found a shell. There are shells here.
Iba bought this very expensive from Goa.
You can collect from here.
Yeah.
The money is big. Bigger than Indian money. Yeah.
It's like, remember 5,000 old money? The golden one. Yellow or golden? Indian money. I think that's the size.
That's the size. Now again, we are back on the pavement or sidewalk because the beach is closing down, so we are not seeing a lot of vendors there. There were a couple more vendors there, but they were all selling the same thing that we had, which I didn't like, squid.
But I like.
Yeah, I know you like. You can have more also if you want. Missy, where is the lady boy? Where are the lady boys? I think we are too early for that. If you're lucky, you'll get one.
I don't think I can approach him.
But I think you won't find them at 6:30. Now, we should go on that side, Missy. Because I'm not seeing anything here. Missy? Somebody called you?
Because I used to see in Doordarshan because I'm also one of the presenter on TV, Doordarshan Shillong. Hi.
Shillong.
I
Oh,
used
nice to
watch
meet you.
Yes, from Shillong. 2 days back.
Missy is finding fans here. Wow.
I told if I meet any Khasi people, they'll talk to me. But I can see some of your people, they didn't talk to you. We discuss it.
Because
in the evening.
my viewers are not from the mainland.
Oh. But still, if you see somebody from your own land, no, they talk. Like us, we are very friendly, especially outside.
Oh, do you want to buy something from here?
What do you want?
Let's give him some business.
And we are wearing the same pants.
You can buy
also.
wipes at least.
We are wearing the same pants also.
Oh, same pants. You buy something, some keychain or something.
Oh, I know.
Right. Let Missy choose now. We want to give him some business. He looks like the person who deserves some whatever little business we can give him. Is that Doraemon?
Don't look.
Let's see what she ends up buying.
I get a discount, right?
Hmm.
A Kit-Kat discount.
Check.
Keychain.
Check.
Doraemon. Oh, shake. Oh.
Oh, all right. 30 bahts.
30 baht.
Give it to me.
For you, that one.
Doraemon is my favorite cartoon. We have to collect another portrait also, Missy. You ask him. You take the portrait.
Thank you, huh?
You take the portrait.
Can I take a picture? Okay.
Kapun kap.
ขอบคุณครับ
All right.
Very nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go now. Now we are crossing the road to go there. Let's go, Missy. And Missy has her eyes set on fruits. So let's find fruits. Well, it's good for me because I have that taste of squid stuck in my mouth. So I can wash it off with some fruit. Which one do you want? I have not seen this. Is it apple or what? 40 baht. What is this? 100 baht. You decide which one you want.
Do you know English?
Yeah, which fruit is that?
เขาถามว่าลูกอะไรชมพู่
Which fruit is that?
ไทยแลนด์ชมพู่
Thailand champu. So it's a Thai fruit. Yeah, let's have it. Let's have some fruit. It's a Thai champu. Thailand champu. We are from India. India. We're from Thailand, Pattaya. It's a beautiful country, but very hot.
Yes very hot
You don't have winter here, no? No winter. No winter. No winter. Cold. No cold. Ah. Missy, you try it first. Is it sweet? Sour?
Little sweet.
Little sweet. Well, that's good. We don't want too sweet. Look at the texture, guys.
It's like pear.
Pear. Okay. I like pear. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. It's better than pear. Very juicy, very watery actually. And it's not hard at all. You put in your mouth and you just apply some pressure, it melts. You see? What?
You keep like this is nervous.
You have of course. I said you apply some pressure with your teeth. It's not hard, but is it hard?
I don't have, but it didn't melt.
You see, lady boy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's taking the lady boy.
Are you sure?
You didn't see?
I saw there are some, no, they look like men. Like
Ah.
their beard.
That's why they are lady boys.
Really? Durian.
Durian. I'm not sure I like the durian. You remember we had durian ice cream
Oh yeah.
in Vietnam.
Then still-
In our hotel also in Bangkok, in the elevator, there's a sticker that says smoking and bringing durian is not allowed. Apparently, it smells a lot. Missy, can I have some of this? Is this pork? Pork. I want to have this. Will you buy for me? All right. Give us two, one each. All
I
right.
thought you are giving me 1,000 baht.
Well, you must buy something for me also.
But still, I should be the one who say, you want to eat? Hold this.
I was waiting for you to say.
I'm just smelling it where the good smell comes from.
Cup and cup. Looks yummy. Let's see how the taste is. Wow, I like it. Very good.
Right, Sana.
Now I understand why Harold Bowler likes pork chop so much. Super tasty.
I like pork, especially the roasted one.
Well, if Missy didn't have to spend 1,000 bahts, then we could have finished our dinner here with this. It's so juicy. Okay. Missy has learned it now. Kapkan Kap, we are collecting pictures from everybody. Bye bye. Alright,
She's pretty also.
that's why I said. Let's find something else, Missy. You want to check out that shop?
Yeah.
I hope Missy won't buy any more fruit here, fruit or food here, because we have to go to that market. I did mention that market in the previous vlog. There's a very, very interesting market. A lot of food stalls there. So hopefully Missy will let us have dinner in that market. Sabadi Kap. Oh, yeah, same.
They are wearing same.
Are you buying for me?
You don't like this print shirt.
Don't we have any design?
Oh, plain also.
Yeah.
You'll buy for me?
100 baht.
Yeah, 100 baht.
Are you buying for me?
You discount?
I think how I
Say.
favorite
Well, if you're going to buy for me, then I will. Let me check out some other things then.
Yeah, you check.
How much for this?
can swimming 250 baht.
250 baht. Okay. How about here? Okay. So plain t-shirts are only that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yellow.
Do you have my size?
Medium size.
Medium? Yeah, medium can do.
Yellow.
No yellow. I can wear.
Who's
Do you,
buying?
any dark color? Dark?
Who's buying?
What now? You're buying for me, then I can choose my color or what? Okay, choose your color. Let's take this challenge. Let's take this challenge.
Wait tomorrow.
Now I have to wear it tomorrow. I am up for the challenge, Missy. Yeah, buy any color you want.
Yellow.
Yellow? Let's do it. She doesn't have my size in yellow.
Green.
Green. Oh, green happens to be Missy's favorite color.
Last size green.
I hope they don't have my size in green also. Let's see.
Bigger one. Medium.
No have that.
No medium? So far we are winning. Choose another color, Missy. Choose another color. You might want to go with
No, don't.
Sky
don't.
blue.
No.
XS.
Oh, let's play this trick. I will suggest a color that I don't want. What?
Medium size only here, sir.
Red.
Missy,
Yes. And
let's go with orange. Guys, we found the size in orange, but I didn't want orange. Now Missy is buying orange. Okay. I was up for the challenge.
Green and no yellow.
So now tomorrow I have to flaunt the orange t-shirt.
Wait.
I'll have to wear it now. I'll wear it. Maybe one time I can wear it.
Even if it doesn't fit, you have to wait.
Alright guys, so let me count. How much is left now? We were at 150. Now this is 100. So 250. Two of you together? Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, same.
Same, huh?
What?
Let's see.
Oh.
Good.
Okay, thank you.
Kapun kap. Bye bye. Keep it. Alright.
Tomorrow I'll see now you wear colors.
I think 250 is done now.
Yeah.
Missy, I didn't want orange. I was playing tricks on you.
You didn't want orange?
Now
You did want orange.
it's fine now. I'll wear it.
I want yellow.
Yellow, there is no size.
That's what. This is.
In fact, guys, yellow would have been better than orange. But anyways, you see,
They still have the picture of a man.
there's another one on the table also behind. So there are many. I saw many actually. I don't want to point the camera right at them, but I saw 3 of them in a row right now. Finally, Missy is not reacting after seeing what she was so excited to see.
Should we look for some glass?
Yeah, you can. We wanted to buy sunglasses for Missy. Let her buy it from her money, so that we don't have to buy later. Huh?
Let's see which one.
Which one? Just try it. Thug glasses. See, this will be the funniest yet. If we say that you should wear funny glasses, this is the peak funny.
Hold it. Oh, I look like the. Whoa.
Move this away.
Whoa.
It's good.
I
And they're
look like
good.
those old actress Bollywood, remember?
But they're good.
Pink color.
Let's ask them how much these are.
Pink one.
Yeah, pink is good.
Ask them how much.
You want yellow?
No, yellow.
You ask them, Missy. You are going to pay. You have to bargain also.
Red bhi hai.
No red, Missy. No red.
One pink. You want me to look funny?
What color are you wearing?
Pink.
So, are you looking funny?
It's not in my face.
Yeah, go ask them. And bargain also. Do it nicely. You have to save money for more stuff.
100 baht. 100 baht.
100? Well, that sounds good. Sounds good to me. Try bargaining.
Oh, what's how much? 50?
Start with 50 and let's see where it ends up. Just go.
Can I get 450? Or fixed price? It's a fixed price.
Okay, take it, Missy.
Why?
They are good.
How do I do?
So guys, we are buying the pink ones.
Oh! I look like a joker.
How much for this? 200. 200. Is it worth 200 for you?
No.
And there's the bike. And now, let's begin the part 2 of this vlog in that market where we're going to find our dinner. Very lively market. You want to watch it. Let's go.